Hello everyone, my name is Varsha and welcome to Programming Knowledge. So today we are going to install the Intellij IDEA IDE and some drivers and jar files for Selenium framework. So let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is go to Google and type Intellij IDEA. And here you see the first link that we have, that is the www.jetbrains.com. Simply just click on this link. So this is the official website of the Intellij IDEA IDE. So the Intellij IDEA is an integrated development environment, that is the IDE, written in Java for developing computer software, and it was developed by the JetBrains. Apart from all this, the Intellij IDEA IDE has many features like built-in tools. Then it supports the JVM languages like the Java, Kotlin, Scala. And it also has some frameworks like Spring, Java EE, and it also supports mobile development and some of the web development like the HTML, CSS, Angular, TypeScript, JavaScript. So these are some of the features of the Intellij IDEA IDE. And in terms of system requirement, we will need a RAM of 2 GB minimum, and the disk space that we require is of 3 GB of space. We also need to install the Java JDK first, and then we will install the Intellij IDEA IDE. So let's install the Java JDK first. All you need to do is just type Java JDK download, and the first link that you get is the www.oracle.com. Just click on this link. And here you see there are different versions of JDK, like we have the Java SE15, we have the Java SE14 and Java SE11. We will download the latest version, that is the Java SE15. Click on JDK download and click on this Windows x64 installer. This one, if you're using the Mac OS, then click on this one. But I'm using Windows, so I'll be clicking on JDK 15 Windows. Now here you must accept the license agreement for Java Oracle SE, which says that I reviewed and accept the Oracle Technology Network License Agreement for Java Oracle SE. Simply just click on this checkbox and click on download JDK 15. So now here you can see that my JDK 15 has been downloaded. So let's install this. Simply just click on it, click on next, and your JDK will be installed in this file. So just let it be that way. Just click on next. And yeah, it's installing now. It might take some time. So now here you can see that my Java JDK 15 has been successfully installed. So let's check this out. Simply just click on close, and over here just click CMD. Let's see if this has installed or not properly in our computer. So we will check it through command prompt. Simply just type Java space dash version. So here you can see that we have downloaded our Java JDK version 15. So once we have installed our JDK, we have to set the environment variables. All we need to do is just go here and write environment variable, and here you can see edit the system environment variable. Click on this. Here you can see in the advanced tab there is environment variable. Click over here, and in system variables go to path, click edit, and here we will edit the path. How are you going to do that? Just simply go where you have installed your JDK, that is C drive, program files, Java JDK bin folder. Open your bin folder, copy this path and place it over here, and click on OK. OK, and over here also OK. So you have set your environment variable path also. Now you will install the Intellij IDEA IDE. Simply just go to the official website of the Intellij IDEA IDE and click on download over here. So there are two versions over here, Ultimate and Community. We will download the Community version. Click on download. Here you can see that it started downloading. It might take some time. So just wait. Now I have downloaded the Intellij IDE, the community version. Here you can see. Now let's install it. Simply just click it. Click on run. Click next. Next. Now over here, create desktop shortcut, yes, for the 64-bit launcher, and update context menu. I'll click this checkbox. Create associations. For now, I don't want to create any association. Then update path variable. Restart needed. Yes, I will add the launcher dir to the path. I'll click this checkbox as well. And then click on next. Click on install. And here you can see that the Intellij IDE is getting installed. Now here you can see that my Intellij IDE community version has been installed. So I'll just click on this. Simply click on new project. Then here just click on Java, and here you can see that the Java version 15. This is the JDK that we have installed before. Simply just click on next. Create project from template. I'll just name it as hello and finish. I'll just change the interface of this IDE. All we need to do is simply just go to File, go to Settings, and here in the appearance bar, just change the theme to Intellij Lite. So this is how you can do it. Now let's run a program saying hello world. Simply just write S out, and here you can see we have the system out.println. So this Intellij IDE has a feature of auto completing also. Just simply by writing S out, it will be system.out.println, and I'll write hello everyone. I'll save it, and I'll click on this button. So here you can see the output. That's hello everyone. That's what I printed over here. So our program has been successfully executed. So this is all about the Intellij IDE. So now we have installed the Intellij IDE and the Java JDK also. So we will install some of the drivers and the Java files that we require in the Selenium. So all you need to do is you need to go to this official page of the Selenium, is Selenium HQ. I will give all the links in the description box, so it will be easier for you. Click on this link, that is a selenium.dev, and go to downloads. This is the official website of Selenium, and we will download all our drivers and jar files from this website only. Now here first we will download some of the Selenium client and WebDriver language bindings. Now Selenium supports many languages like Ruby, Java, Python, C#. We will be working on Java. We will be working with Java. So in order to create scripts of Selenium WebDriver, you need to make use of language specific client drivers. So these are the drivers of Java. See here, there are some of the versions that I have told before as well. There is a stable version that is a 3.141 and the alpha version that is recently released. I have discussed about the versions of Selenium in the previous videos. You can check out that. For now, to download these jar files, we will click over here, download. And here you can see a zip file is being downloaded. Here you can see that it is downloaded. Simply click on this file, just extract it. And here you can see. Now see, I would recommend you to make a separate folder for jar files, so it will be very easy and beneficial for you, because we will be downloading many jar files and drivers. So it will be very confusing, and here we will be giving the paths also in the program when we execute our test cases. So it will be very difficult that which driver is placed where. So it's better that you would make a separate folder for those drivers and jar files. So here in D drive, I'm making a separate folder name Selenium jar and drivers. Okay. So I'll be placing all my jar files and drivers in this file. All I need to do is those files which I had downloaded. Here you can see that this is jar file. This is executable jar files. These two jar files I'll copy first and place it over here. Then the next I'll go in libs folder, and over here all these jar files I will copy it and place it here. Okay. So these are the jar files which we downloaded. Now we will add all these jar files in the Intellij IDE. So now we will add the jar files. So simply just go on File, go to Project Structure, go to Modules and go to the Dependency tab. You can see here add sign, this plus sign, click on this, click on jar or directories. Then go to the file where your jar files are placed. So here you can see all these jar files which I have pasted in this Selenium jar and drivers. Just click all of them and add it. Click on OK. And here you can see the jar file is added. Click on Apply and click on OK. Just wait for a second. Here you can see indexing dependencies. Just wait for it. So here you can see now those jar files are added. So now we have installed the JDK, we have set the path for it, and then we have installed the Intellij IDE, and we have added the jar files also. So now let's install the drivers. Just go to the official website of Selenium, that will be selenium.dev. Click on this and click on Downloads. So here you can see platform supported by Selenium browsers. Now for various browsers, we have various drivers. For Firefox, we have the Gecko driver. For the Chrome, we have the Chrome driver. For Safari, we have the Safari driver. So mainly, I will be performing operations using the Chrome driver. So first, we will download the Chrome driver for Chrome. Just simply, before downloading, open your Chrome. And be careful about the versions of Chrome, Firefox and Internet Explorer. You can do that by just going over here and click on Settings. Click on About Chrome. And here you can see my version is 85.0.4183.121. So I'll be installing the driver of this version only. Be very careful with your drivers, because if you're having an old version of Google Chrome and you're downloading a driver of a different version, so it won't work. So it's better check out your version first, update it, and then download an updated driver. So I'll just simply go and write here download Chrome driver for 85.0.4183.21. And here you can see. I'll give the links in the description box, so it will be very easier for you to download. See here, the Chrome driver for the latest is 86.0, but the latest version, that is the stable version that I'm having, is 85.0.4183. So I'll be downloading this version. Now, if you're having Linux, then click this one. If you're having Mac, then click this one. And if you're having Windows, then click this one. I'm having Windows, so I'll be clicking Chrome driver _ Windows 32 zip folder. And here you can see it has downloaded. So here you can see this Chrome driver. It is a zip file. I will extract it. Just simply click on extract all and it will start extracting it. And here it is. It is Chrome driver. All you need to do is just copy this driver and paste it in your folder that you have made. So I have made different folders over here, like for Chrome driver, Firefox driver, IE drivers, and the jar files. Keep things making programs while implementing the Selenium framework. When you're implementing it, we need to add many jar files, we need to have many drivers also. So if you keep things very systematic, it will be very easier for you. So here for Chrome driver, I have added this. Now let's go and install the Firefox driver. Simply just go on Firefox. Again, check your version. You don't need to do anything. Just click on settings and go to general. And here you can see my version is 81.0. So I'll be downloading the driver for version 81.0. Just type download Firefox driver for version 81.0. So here you can see the Gecko driver. And here you can see it's downloading it. So here this is the driver for the Firefox. I will extract it. And here it is. Again, I will copy it and paste it over here in Firefox driver. So we are done with this tutorial today. We had installed the Java JDK, we set the environment path. Also, we installed the Intellij IDE. We have installed some jar files that we require for the Selenium framework. We added those jar files in our IDE. Also, we installed the drivers like the Chrome driver and the Firefox driver. So in the next tutorial, we will do the practical implementation of Selenium. So stay tuned. Until then, goodbye.